Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome. So in this video I'm going to do a wedding haul of some of the items that I purchased. So in this bag, this came from Amazon. So I have a broom. Me and my fiance are going to jump the broom. I didn't realize it's got it's like an ombre effect. I don't know, but anyway, so we're gonna jump the broom. So I'm going to decorate this balloon. Not balloon. I'm going to decorate this broom. All right. So this next package is from Oriental Trading. I can't remember what I ordered from. Oh, okay. So I got these ring centerpieces. It's 3 different sizes. I thought they would have been bigger than that, but I'm going to use these at my sister's bridal shower. I'm going to use these for centerpieces. And in this box, let's see, what did I get? Because I definitely don't remember. I've been ordering a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff on my wish list, so I just been ordering a little bit here and there. Oh, these are so these are centerpieces like this. I don't know why I thought it had like I don't know. So I thought it actually had like a top or bottom to it. And this is the same thing. So I got both of these. So I made something similar to this, but then I realized it really wasn't a lot of work to make it. But I'm like, just why not buy them? Because I think these were like $50, maybe. Might not even been that much for the 2. But I will try to link everything in the description below. If anyone wants to get the same things or something similar. So I have these 2, and I really wanted silver. So I'm definitely going to end up spray painting these silver. So it's 2 of these. And I may even order more. I'm not sure yet. But, so that's what I have from Oriental Trading. And then my next 2 boxes are from eFavor Mart. So I have a package from Amazon and one from eFavor Mart that I didn't get delivered. So I had to do a claim on that because it said it was delivered on Sunday. Today is Friday. And I still haven't received it yet. Maybe my mail carrier put it in the wrong mailbox. I don't know. But I made a post on my little neighborhood Facebook page to see if anybody got it. But I'm thinking he put it in the wrong mailbox. Because, I mean, if he would have put it in my mailbox, nobody would have been able to get it because my mailbox has a key. So, either they put it in the wrong mailbox or they said they delivered it and they didn't. So, let's see. What do we have here? I ordered some vases. I think that's what this is. So, I have these. So, it is 4 of these. And these are, I think these are the 14-inch ones. They have different sizes. So I'm definitely gonna order some bigger ones. I think it was 3 different sizes, but these are 14-inch ones, and it was 4. It's 4 of them, and I can't remember the price off the top of my head. But again, I will try to link all this stuff below. So I have those vases. And then this box is eFavor Mart as well. This is like a lot of different linens. So my wedding colors are going to be black and red with silver accent. So I have done events before. So I have like black and red. I have black tablecloths. I have like black chair covers. I have red table runners, red chair sashes. But this time I want to do like red tablecloths instead of black. So I ordered some things, just different, like one of each, or you know, a few different things just to see how I want to do my setup. So in this one, this is just a bolt of fabric. It's silver, and I'm going to use this as a backdrop. And I got this bolt for really, really cheap. It was definitely a lot cheaper than if I would have bought it at the fabric store. But it's just silver. I'm going to use it for a backdrop. I got to get me a few more backdrop stands. I have one that I used for pictures before, but this time I want something else, something a little more sturdy. So I've been researching that, and this is what I'm going to use for that, or part of what I'm going to use for that. I'm also going to have like black and red and different colors and all that. So this is the spandex chair sash. I ordered these because I wasn't sure if I had black. I haven't worn in my storage unit yet. I wasn't sure if I had black. And actually, because I don't think I have black. I have a lot of different colors because one party I did was Uno. So I ordered like a lot of different colors, but I don't think I ordered black. So that's the black, the spandex sashes. This is the sash pin. So I got these heart pins that I'm probably going to use for my sashes. I'm not sure yet. I think I have another type of sash as well. I do. So I got these chair sashes too. So I'm not sure if I want to use just these, or I may use these on some of the chairs. So these are a little more fancy. They're like a bow. It has the elastic, so you put it on the chair. This will be the back of the chair. Oh, this is very stiff too. But anyway, that's the back of the chair. So it's a bow. So I'm thinking about using these. I don't know. I don't really like the way this feels. And I know it's been packaged. So once you just, but I don't know. I don't like the way it feels. So I got to figure out how to roll that back up. All right. So these are my sash options. I have these napkin rings. Just some bling napkin rings. And again, I'm not sure. You know what? Now that I think about it, I didn't even order any napkins. Well, I have black napkins already, I think. I have to go in my storage room and see what I got. So I have these napkin rings. It was, I think it's 10 in a pack. And they just Velcro like that. You know, my only thing about using napkins and napkin rings and stuff like that, I'd be scared people are going to throw them away. I'd be so scared people are going to throw stuff away. But anyway. So that's that. And this is so I think this is, okay, this is part of my backdrop. It's like, so I got this to use with my backdrop as well. It's long, it's just not wide. So it's really not that wide, but it's long enough. It's long enough for, I think a 12-foot backdrop, I think. I can't remember, but like I said, I will link everything down in the description, but I think it's long enough for a 12-foot backdrop. I also have this red fabric for my backdrop, and I don't really know if I want to use these two together now that I'm looking at them. This one is more like silk type, and this is more like it's more like matte. So I'm not sure how I'm going to use these. We'll figure it out. I'll figure something out. So that's that. I have this, I have this black paper. I think this is just the overlay. They don't really tell you on here, but I think this is just the overlay. So I was definitely gonna try this because, like I said, I want to use red tablecloths. So I'm going to try with the black overlay. Maybe not on all the tables. I might just do it on the sweetheart table. I'm not sure yet. I tell you what, all these sequins are falling off. My carpet got all these little black sequins on it now. This is a table runner. So for my engagement party, I'm going to use a black tablecloth on my food table, and I'm thinking about putting this this red runner on there, possibly, maybe, not sure yet. I also have a silver overlay, so this is just like the black one, but it's silver. And then I have a black runner, just like the red one, because again, I'm not sure like which direction I want to go in, so I got 2 of each. And then this is a table runner, because I don't have any black table runners. I only have red, like solid color. I only have red. Yeah, so this is a black table runner. This is a tablecloth, so this is 120 inches. It's just a solid red tablecloth. And one thing I'm noticing, let me look at it really good. Like, so I wanted to order all my stuff from the same place because I want it to be the same shades. Just double check. So the fabric, the bolted fabric that I got, it's not the same shade of red as this and this. So I don't think that'll really be an issue though. And then I have another tablecloth. And this one is 120, and I think this one is 132. I just got different sizes. So that's what I have in there. And then I have some artificial flowers, artificial roses. So I have the black. Oh, these are tiny. I gotta stop ordering stuff and not checking the size. These are tiny. So I have black and I have silver. I think these were only like $9. You know what? I don't remember how much they were. But I have black and silver. So again, my colors are black and red and silver. So these, I'm not sure. I want to use these for my bouquets. So I've tried to make a bouquet like twice. It was definitely a fail. Well, not a fail. They just didn't turn out like I wanted to turn out. And I didn't get the right flowers. So hopefully I can do it with this. So anyway, so those are the items that I have so far. I'm waiting on another package from eFavorMart. It was the spandex chair covers, the red ones. And then I ordered some more flowers, I ordered satin flowers and brooches for my bouquets from Amazon, but my packages, like I said, I don't know what happened to them. So those are the items that I have so far. So continue to follow my wedding journey as I prepare for this, my sister's bridal shower, then my engagement party, then my sister's wedding, and then all this other stuff that follows. So until next time, y'all have a great one.